Ever watched Ultra HD 4K videos that load super fast and still look stunning? Meet HEVC, also known as H.265, the video compression superhero powering your favorite OTT platforms and HD live streams in 2025. Let's break it down. What is HEVC? HEVC, or high-efficiency video coding, compresses video files up to 50% smaller than H.264 with the same or even better quality. That means faster loading, lower bandwidth, and smoother playback, especially for 4K and 8K content. From Netflix and Apple TV Plus to Zoom calls and drone footage, HEVC is everywhere. It's the backbone for OTT streaming, HD video conferencing, surveillance cams, virtual reality, and even smartphones. With HEVC, platforms cut costs and save storage, while giving users a flawless viewing experience. How it works. HEVC achieves this using smarter frame types, I-frames, P-frames, and B-frames, and by predicting motion between frames so it only sends the changes, not the full image every time. It also uses advanced entropy coding, CABAC, to pack data more efficiently. The result? Smoother streaming, even for bandwidth-heavy formats like 4K and HDR. HEVC plus AI and LCEVC. HEVC now works with AI-powered encoding and LCEVC enhancement layers, giving up to 30% more efficiency. That means faster delivery, less buffering, and lower costs, especially for live streaming and mobile users. So if you're building a video app or platform, HEVC is your go-to codec for high efficiency, low cost, and top-notch quality. Want to secure your streams too? Check out videocipher.com for 4K-ready DRM secure video hosting.